Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're all about mobile gaming and want the latest tips, tricks, and strategies, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, I've got something special for you, an easy method to supercharge your DramaBox experience. I'm going to show you a simple hack to get unlimited coins in DramaBox without any hassle. No complicated setups, no special software, just a straightforward process anyone can do. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's jump right in. The first step is to locate your user ID. It's an essential part of the process, so be sure not to skip this. To find it, open DramaBox, head over to your profile settings, and look for your unique user ID. Make sure to copy or write it down because we'll need it soon. Got it? Awesome, let's move on. Next, open up your preferred web browser and go to this special website. This site provides hack tools for multiple mobile games and apps, but today we're focusing on DramaBox Hack. Once you're there, use the search function to find Hack for DramaBox and click on it to access the dedicated resource page. Easy so far, right? Let's keep going. Now it's time to enter your details. Here's what you need to do. Select your platform, iOS or Android. Input your username or the user ID you copied earlier. Double-check all the details and press Proceed button. The system will now communicate with the game servers. This is fully automated and 100% safe. Just hang tight for a few seconds while it does its thing. Once your account is linked, you'll see options to pick how many resources you'd like. Choose the amount you want, then hit Proceed. The system will begin processing your request using encryption and proxy security features. This might take a minute or two, so just be patient. Almost done. The final step is a quick verification to confirm you're a real player. This usually involves completing a simple task such as downloading a free app or filling out a brief survey. It's super easy and should only take a couple of minutes. If you need guidance, the website provides a step-by-step video tutorial to help you through it. Just follow along and you'll be good to go. Once you've completed the verification, your resources will appear in your account instantly. Just like that, you're ready to dominate the game. I've tested this method myself and it works flawlessly. After following all the steps, I log back into the game and boom, my resource balance was maxed out in seconds. Now I can fully enjoy the game without worrying about running out of resources. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Got any questions? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you never miss out on the latest gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming. Catch you in the next video.